Hello guys, today I will teach you how to use ETABS version 18 software. First, open the file and create new model. Then choose model initiation. I will choose use built-in settings view. Display units, SI units, steel section database, AISC 14, but you can choose lots, and steel design codes, concrete design codes, and then click OK. In this next view, new model quick templates, uniform grid spacing, so number of grid lines in X direction 4. You can modify this earlier, and then spacing in grid in X direction, so 5 meters. I will choose 5 meters both. Number of stories 4. Then typical story height 3. Then bottom story height I will choose 1 for our foundation. There is blank and also steel deck, but I will choose here the grid only. Then click OK. Here you can see the next window. There are 3 windows here: Model Explorer, Plan View, and in the Model Explorer, Plan View, and the 3D view on the right side. So we have a grid already, 1, 2, and 3, and A, B, C, D. So the plan view, so you can see both sides plan view, but you can also return it into 3D view. So you can see here X direction, red grid color, and Y direction, and Z direction is blue color. So that is the vertical elevation of our model. So you can modify this, right click. So story height you can modify right here, 8 and only 1 meter. You can name this first or second floor, third floor. I will write it third floor. our grid system, we can also modify this. Modify show grid system. We have to display here. Display grid data 42. Another one also display data. So issuing the display grid data as coordinate using the count from the origin. What is the distance of the grid? But here we just mention based on your drawing what is the distance. You just type what is your desired distance. For example here 5. The origin is 0, 0. We are going to D to E is 5, and right 5. C to D is 5. E to F is 5, and F to none 0. So you can see there is a changes on the right corner. Then click OK. So now we have our system. Now we will do the section properties definition. So I will delete all of these properties by selecting all and delete selected frame section. Then guide. program save